Today, we are learning 100 essential clothing and accessory words in English with example sentences to level up your vocabulary. Let's get started. Button. Button. My coat has a large button. Scarf. Scarf. Wear a scarf in the wind. Cufflinks. Cufflinks. He bought expensive gold cufflinks. Collar. Collar. This shirt has a stiff collar. Zipper. Zipper. The zipper on my bag broke. Waistcoat. Waistcoat. He wears a formal black waistcoat. Bracelet. Bracelet. She wears a silver bracelet daily. Cardigan. Cardigan. Put on a warm wool cardigan. Bow tie. Bow tie. The waiter wore a red bow tie. Slippers. Slippers. I wear soft slippers at home. Hood. Hood. Pull the hood over your head. Pocket. Pocket. I have money in my pocket. Lace. Lace. My shoelace is very long. Hem. Hem. The hem of the dress is torn. Lapel. Lapel. Pin the flower to your lapel. Lining. Lining. This jacket has a silk lining. Buckle. Buckle. Fasten the metal belt buckle. Sole. Sole. The shoe sole is quite thick. Eyelet. Eyelet. Thread the string through the eyelet. Pleat. Pleat. Her skirt has a sharp pleat. If you are enjoying this vocabulary list, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more English lessons. Sweatshirt. Sweatshirt. I love this cozy gray sweatshirt. Overalls. Overalls. The painter wears blue denim overalls. Poncho. Poncho. Wear a poncho for the rain. Mittens. Mittens. Children wear mittens in the snow. Barrette. Barrette. She wears a stylish French beret. Brooch. Brooch. Grandma wears an antique gold brooch. Pendant. Pendant. Her necklace has a diamond pendant. Suspenders. Suspenders. He prefers suspenders over a belt. 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 This leather belt is too tight. Blazer. Blazer. Wear a blazer for the interview. Cloak. Cloak. The king wore a velvet cloak. Tuxedo. Tuxedo. He looked sharp in his tuxedo. Nightgown. Nightgown. She bought a new silk nightgown. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. Hang your bathrobe behind the door. Sandals. Sandals. Sandals are perfect for the beach. Heels. Heels. She cannot walk in high heels. Sneakers. Sneakers. I need new sneakers for running. Boots. Boots. Leather boots keep your feet dry. Vest. Vest. The police officer wore a vest. Blouse. Blouse. That silk blouse is very elegant. Trousers. Trousers. These trousers fit you very well. Shorts. Shorts. Wear shorts on a hot day. Skirt. Skirt. She wore a long floral skirt. Gown. Gown. The bride wore a white gown. Uniform. Uniform. Students must wear a school uniform. Remember that some clothing items are always plural, like trousers, shorts, and glasses. Even if it is one item, we say, "These trousers are nice," not "This trouser is nice." Jersey. Jersey. The player wore a team jersey. Hoodie. Hoodie. He hid under his black hoodie. Leggings. Leggings. Leggings are comfortable for yoga class. Stockings. Stockings. She wore black stockings with shoes. Tights. Tights. Wear thick tights in the winter. Veil. Veil. The bride lifted her lace veil. Shawl. Shawl. Wrap a shawl around your shoulders. Beanie. Beanie. A beanie keeps your ears warm. Fedora. Fedora. He wears a classic brown fedora. Visor. Visor. Use a visor for the sun. Cap. Cap. He wore a baseball cap backwards. Gloves. Gloves. Protect your hands with leather gloves. Earring. Earring. She lost her favorite gold earring. Necklace. Necklace. This pearl necklace is very expensive. Watch. Watch. Check the time on your watch. Wallet. Wallet. Keep your credit card in your wallet. Handbag. Handbag. She carries a small red handbag. Backpack. Backpack. Put your books in your backpack. Briefcase. Briefcase. The lawyer carries a leather briefcase. Suitcase. Suitcase. Pack your clothes in the suitcase. To sound more natural, use phrasal verbs. Instead of put on, you can sometimes use throw on for casual clothes. And don't forget try on when you are at a shop. Umbrella. Umbrella. Do not forget your large umbrella. Raincoat. Raincoat. This yellow raincoat is completely waterproof. Parka. Parka. You need a parka in Alaska. Trench. Trench. He wore a stylish tan trench. Windbreaker. Windbreaker. A windbreaker is good for hiking. Pajamas. Pajamas. Change into your warm blue pajamas. Briefs. Briefs. These cotton briefs are very soft. Boxer. Boxer. He prefers wearing loose boxer shorts. Bra. Bra. She bought a new sports bra. Camisole. Camisole. Wear a camisole under your shirt. Slip. Slip. This dress needs a silk slip. Corset. Corset. The costume includes a tight corset. Apron. Apron. Wear an apron in the kitchen. Overcoat. Overcoat. Put on your heavy winter overcoat. Jacket. Jacket. This denim jacket is very trendy. Knitwear. Knitwear. I love wearing cozy winter knitwear. Denim. Denim. These denim jeans are very durable. Leather. Leather. I have a black leather belt. Suede. Suede. Do not get your suede wet. Velvet. Velvet. She wore a dark velvet ribbon. Satin. Satin. Satin feels very smooth and soft. Silk. Silk. This silk tie is very beautiful. Wool. Wool. My socks are made of wool. Cotton. Cotton. I prefer wearing plain cotton shirts. Linen. Linen. Linen clothes are perfect for summer. There is a difference between fit and suit. If a dress is the right size, it fits you. If the color or style looks good on you, it suits you. Cuff. Cuff. Fold the cuff of your sleeve. Seam. Seam. The seam of my shirt ripped. Stitches. Stitches. These stitches are very neat. Embroidery. Embroidery. The blouse has colorful floral embroidery. Sequins. Sequins. Her dress is covered in sequins. Ribbon. Ribbon. Tie a ribbon in your hair. Pin. Pin. Secure the fabric with a pin. Handkerchief. Handkerchief. He kept a handkerchief in his pocket. Tie. Tie. He wears a silk tie today. Socks. Socks. He wears warm wool socks. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to English Dream and tell me your favorite accessory in the comments. See you next time.